Hi everyone, welcome to Moto Flash channel. I hope you guys stay healthy and keep doing well. Here's a look at the 2025 Yamaha FZS Hybrid, India's first ever 150cc mild hybrid motorcycle, blending modern tech with the familiar and beloved FZ Street Fighter DNA. India's first 150cc mild hybrid motorcycle, FZS Hybrid. This model brings sophisticated tech to the popular FZ series. Retains signature Street Fighter styling with sculpted fuel tank and muscular anterior, but now with integrated LED turn indicators and the tank extensions for a cleaner front look. LED lighting throughout headlamp, tail lamp indicators for modern, sharp aesthetics. Available into fresh color options, racing blue and cyan metallic gray. Powered by the 149cc air-cooled single-cylinder blue-core engine producing approximately 12.4 PS and 13.3 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Introduces Yamaha Smart Motor Generator SMG, a mild hybrid assist that provides battery-powered torque boost during initial acceleration and ensures quiet, instant starts via start-stop system SSS for improved fuel economy. Claimed ARAI fuel efficiency hovers around 60 km/h. Real-world urban usage may yield similar benefits. Upgrades to a modern 4.2-inch full-color TFT display replacing the earlier LCD cluster. Through Yamaha's Y-Connect at Bluetooth, the TFT offers turn-by-turn navigation via Google Maps, Poly SMS alerts, battery status, consumption stats, and ride diagnostics. Practical updates include hinged fuel tank cap, repositioned handlebars and switch gear for better ergonomics, side stand engine cutoff function. Hybrid boost makes city acceleration smoother and more responsive, great for quick overtakes. Ride remains predictable and confidence-inspiring with familiar FZ agility for urban maneuvers and highway cruising. Some rear suspension firmness, but overall handling is stable, flickable, and well-balanced. Braking setup includes front and rear discs with single-channel ABS. Traction control is offered on some markets. Times of India praises the FZS Hybrid as a blend of more tech, more efficiency, same old DNA, appreciating the added mileage and modern features without disrupting its familiar character. Zanian notes the assist system is noticeable but not overwhelming and commends how the start-stop system works seamlessly. The bike is smooth, refined, and ideal for those seeking practicality over excitement. Specs at a glance. Feature specification. Engine 149cc air-cooled, blue-core, Fe. Power. Torque approximately 12.4 PS at 7,250 revolutions per minute, 13.3 Nm at 5,500 revolutions per minute. Hybrid system Smart Motor Generator plus Start-Stop SSS. Display 4.2 TFT, Y-Connect, navigation and alerts. Brakes front and rear discs, single-channel ABS, weight approximately 138 kilograms curb. Fuel tank 13L seat, height 790 millimeters. Performance top speed around 115 km/h. Smooth city ride, fuel efficiency RI approximately 60 km/h. Price India 144,800 X showroom, about 14,000 premium over FZS Deluxe. The 2025 Yamaha FZS Hybrid is a clever evolution of the beloved FZ commuter. It retains the reliable ride, familiar ergonomics, and Street Fighter styling while layering on tech-savvy enhancements especially. Mild hybrid assist for smoother starts and better mileage. Sharp TFT display with smart connectivity and navigation. Practical tweaks like hinged fuel cap and better ergonomics. If you're city-bound, value fuel economy, and appreciate modern conveniences, this upgrade feels meaningful without losing the essence of the FZ. The 2025 Yamaha FZS Hybrid is a thoughtful evolution of a classy commuter. It brings eco-conscious technology, enhanced fuel efficiency, and rider-focused convenience without straying from the FZ's core appeal. Ideal for urban riders seeking a blend of practicality, style, and modern tech. Ready to explore how it stacks up against rivals like the Suzuki Gixxer 150 or Honda CB Hornet 160R, just say the word. The Yamaha FZS Hybrid 2025 proves that even in the commuter segment, innovation has its place. With its mild hybrid assist, modern TFT display, and Smart Y Connect features, Yamaha has taken a trusted everyday motorcycle and made it smarter, cleaner, and more efficient without sacrificing the sporty DNA that riders love. If you're looking for a balance of style, practicality, and next-gen technology in the 150cc class, the new FZS Hybrid is a step ahead of the pack. See you next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.